Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to install a UV system. So this is our demo unit, and right here we have the return air duct, and this one happens to have an air cleaner and furnace, cooling coil, supply plenum. So there are two places where you can install a UV system, and one of them is here in the return air duct. This is the section here, this plate that we've designed is where we install our demo units for UV. The other place you can put a UV unit is up here, directly above the cooling coil. Now, I kind of like them here, just because in the return air duct, the velocity of the air passing through here is a lot lower than it is up here. The one benefit that you do have up here is on certain models, you can have the light shine directly down onto the cooling coil, and it has the potential of killing live bacteria and mold that may or may not grow on your cooling coil. So that's the upside of putting it here. But like I said, I kind of prefer them over here just because the velocity is a lot lower in the return air duct, and that gives you a higher kill rate on pathogens. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. All right, I have brought some of the tools and supplies necessary to do this install. So right here I have a model 2018 second wind unit. This particular one happens to have a single bulb. There are a lot of different models, but we're going to show you this one. Installation on all of them is pretty darn close to the same thing. So first thing is, comes with a template. Now, on the template, it shows two different holes you can put in. One would be a 3-inch round hole, and the other is a little rectangular hole. Both of those are designed for inserting the UV lamp portion into, okay? So, what you would typically do is take this template, put it on your ductwork wherever you want to put the UV, tape it into place, then you can either drill right through the template if you want to do a nice round hole here, or you can kind of reach through here with a scratch awl or ice pick or something like that and put a little mark in on the corners and connect the dots. So that's how you do this part here, this template. Okay, now we have taken the time to already do all that. Okay, so we've attached this template here, and we have created this new cover here. Again, this is a demo unit, so we happen to use a nice little cover here that we can keep changing out as we change models on the UV systems. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this out real quick, and then we'll mount this thing and do the rest of it. We have this plate here that's for our demo unit, and we have a 3-inch round hole drilled into it. We've also gone ahead and drilled out these little holes here, although the screws that come with it are self-tapping. Okay, so we're going to mount this thing. Okay, so we have put the 4 screws in, and now it's time to install the bulb. Okay, so here's our lamp. It is not important as to which direction you put this in. There it is. Then we're going to put these little wing nuts on here. All right, so we have our lamp inserted. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. There we are. All right, it's plugged in, and now we'll put the cover on it. This particular model happens to have a door switch on it, so it will not work unless the door is closed. It's right here. All right, that's tight. And now all we have to do is plug it in. We have it plugged into an outlet that we have in the back of the furnace here. Now, you want to plug this into an outlet that's live all the time because it does not hurt these UV units to run 24/7. It's not going to cause any problems. In fact, the bulb will probably last longer because what really wears a bulb out is it going on and off, on and off, on and off. So we have it plugged in right now, and we're just going to flip this switch to the on position. You'll see the little light came on. And if you look real close right here, you can see there's a little blue light inside here, which is actually the UV light that's kind of glowing through a little hole inside the unit. So this is lit, so we are basically done. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.